A while ago, I received a package from Elite Pillar International. Elite Pillar is one of our partner companies. Since I'm their portfolio manager working under the brokerage, I was one of the people that received this package yesterday. So this package says Heritage Residence. Heritage Residence is a project by Elite Pillar International. So let's unbox it together. Are you ready? So this, first off, this is a beautiful package and it's heavy. Wow. So this is the first package. Just a bunch of papers in here. We'll get to this later. Wow, this is a beautiful one. It's nice jotter. Heritage Residence and awesome. This is beautiful. Wow, it's of good quality. And it comes with a pen. Let's see. The pen is also properly branded. Heritage Residence. What else do we have in here? We have the Heritage brand app. So I'm the brand ambassador, unpaid brand ambassador. So this is a nice one. Oh, we have a mini helmet. What is this? This looks like a torch. Yeah, up NEPA. Up NEPA. It's nice. Oh, I can also use it to open one of these scoop stuff. Wow, happy Children's Day to me. We're all children of God, right? So I have a bunch of cookies and wow, chocolates. That's so nice. Women and chocolate. Thank God I'm a man. So I have a couple of flyers here. Heritage Residence Mowe Ofada. Elevate your life, your own space. So I guess they are basically the same. Okay. And beautiful water bottle. I love me this kind of water bottles. I've gotten many of it. Stainless, brand new. Also properly branded. Heritage Residence, redefining affordable housing on the mainland. So island people. And this is another one. Isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? Oh, I'll look good on this. And behind it says premium sustainable living with prestige. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. But let's take a look at what we have here in the document. When a real estate developer sends you documents, it's either something is good or something is good. I don't give bad news. Okay, first off, I have a letter addressed to me, Ambassador Ife John Bosco. Okay, this is an authorization letter to market for them. Okay, so Elite Pillar has this heritage residence project and it's all houses. From the flyer here, you can see it's bungalows. We have two bedroom and parlor, right? 2 bedroom semi-detached bungalows, all fully furnished. And we also have the 3 bedroom fully detached bungalow, right? We'll get into all of it, but let's see what documents. It's not just about buy and sell. No. We need to know what's up. So here I have the soil tests. Okay, this is detailed by a professional engineering company. They even added a picture of when they were doing the soil tests. And also here I have, okay, the topographical plan. This is it. And here I have, okay, this is when you go to Ministry of Lands to do your charting. This is what you get, okay? This should be it's not for everyone, right? If you want to buy it, you have access to this. I'll show you. You can go to the Ministry of Lands and then see these things yourself, okay? You see, they are very intentional. And what is this? This is a copy of the survey, right? And then what's this? Land information. Okay, this is a summary of the land. So I'm going to study all this, do my own personal due diligence. But I've been working with Elite Pillar International, the owners of Heritage Residence, and they are pretty genuine. But that doesn't stop me from going the extra mile. It's for your sake, right? And that doesn't also stop you from going the extra mile too. This is a lot of money you are putting in. So here I have the brochure showing the plans and okay, I saw plans now. Okay, plans and everything about the property. Oh, this video is getting long. Let's go to other things. What are these? Okay, these are the layouts. Just same copy, 2 copies layouts. And here also, what do I have? I don't like my videos being too long. Okay, these are bigger prints of the plans. This is the 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalows, and this is the 3-bedroom fully detached bungalows. So in the future videos, so that we don't make this so long, I would give you the details of these places. I would do videos on sites, and you can come with your lawyer, please. I like to hear all those big English, so that they can help you do the right thing. See, I like to encourage people. You trust me, right? And I've never disappointed you. I do my due diligence, despite my broker doing due diligence. But I also want you to do the due diligence. Don't worry about the costs. It's a good thing. Do it. Get used to it, right? So I'm really grateful. Elite Pillar International sent me all of this, especially this water bottle. It's so lovely. Original. So, guys, thank you for unboxing this with me. I will see you on the next video where I talk about heritage residence and more what you should know or what you shouldn't know. And I want to tell you everything. I want you to know everything. Thank you for watching this video and encouraging me. Like, comment, share, patronize me, buy from me, yeah, buy from me. And I'll see you in the next video. But as always, I want the best for you. See ya.